Well, this morning, Texas is threatening legal action after a judge ruled a Dallas woman can get an abortion.
This was the first challenge of its kind in the U.S. in many years. Our Natalie Haddad is following where the case goes from here. Natalie.
Yeah, Matt, this story is getting national attention this morning, and now the top lawyer in Texas is challenging that judge's decision. Now, in a letter to 3 Houston hospitals, Attorney General Ken Paxton said the decision, although temporary and exclusive to this one patient, would not insulate hospitals, doctors, or anyone else from civil and criminal liability for violating Texas's abortion laws, basically telling doctors they will still be punished. Now, at 20 weeks pregnant, 31-year-old Kate Cox from DFW learned her fetus had an abnormality that almost always ends in miscarriage or death soon after birth. Kate and her husband filed a lawsuit asking a judge to grant a temporary restraining order allowing them to terminate this pregnancy. The judge allowed it, but AG Paxton says Kate does not qualify for an abortion despite Texas's abortion ban allowing women at serious risk to receive one. Doctors do tell Kate, who wants to have more children, that giving birth to this pregnancy could rupture her uterus, posing a risk to her fertility.
I'm a Texan. I love Texas. I'm raising my children here. I was raised here. I want to be able to get access to the medical care that I need and my daughter to have it as well.
Okay, Natalie, this is not the only abortion-related lawsuit in the Texas court system that we've talked about right now.
That's right. We've been reporting on this extensively on WFAA. Just last week, a group of women went before the Texas Supreme Court asking for more definitive language in the state's abortion ban. They want to make it crystal clear what the exceptions are for an abortion, including in cases like Kate's. But a decision on that lawsuit will not be made until 2024. Kara.
All right, thanks for the insight. That temporary restraining order is valid for 14 days, and the state cannot directly appeal it, but the AG can file a writ of mandamus petition, basically skipping over the Court of Appeals, asking the Texas Supreme Court to overturn the emergency order. Legal experts consider that to be an extraordinary measure, though.
Now to a